Good morning from Vietnam. How's it going? I don't know, I just thought I'd give a quick update of what's been going on. I've been having a lot of bad luck vlogging lately. I bought a used camera in the States before I came here, and I arrived and should have tested it back there. I tested it here and it was busted. It was broken. So I had to take it to a camera shop. They had to fix it. And then just like the other day I went out vlogging all day, filming all kinds of stuff. Went to the War Remnants Museum, went out to District 9, filmed all this stuff. I get home, none of the sound works. So yeah, I don't know. And then I've just been filming a bunch of shit that just like I'm just not happy with. So I don't know, I'm trying to put up better quality stuff, but whatever. I don't know. Regardless, I'm gonna put something out. So anyway, it's morning. We're gonna go down to the down to the town square, as I like to call it. Down to the Chợ Thủ Đức, the Thu Duc market down here, the epicenter of my neighborhood that pumps the lifeblood through the veins of this neighborhood. So, hello. So yeah, welcome to my hood. You've seen it before, I think. Love these little dogs up on top of these fences. Guard dogs. Yeah, I don't know. It rained all day last night. Excuse me, it rained all night last night, like all night last night, like hard. So, yeah, so there's that. I don't know. The weather's been hot and humid. We're about to get into the dry season. Hello. Where it's just like blistering hot for 4 months and dry, and it doesn't rain. And you pray for the rain to come back. The rain's really inconvenient here because when it rains, it doesn't just like sprinkle. It's like literally like being in the shower. Like it just dumps water. Anywho, I'm back to work. I've been teaching for about a month. My schedule isn't as full as I'd like it to be. Yeah, like I got like most of this week off, and then like all next week, and I think like the week after that, and then I have like a bunch of work. So it's just, I don't know, it's just been kind of weird. I'm trying to get the teaching online thing going. Trying to sign up for Cambly. It doesn't pay a lot, but it just goes, I hear they pay right directly to your PayPal account. Just pay like, I think it's like $10 per session that you teach. I don't know. This guy sells meat over here in the morning.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Yep. Welcome to my hood. I'm looking for a banh mi chung, an egg sandwich, more or less. What's this lady got? Bun kan. Hello. Bun kan. What do we got here? Lots of pork. Try not to eat the pig, the swine, lately. Trying to stick to fish and vegetables. Eggs. Yesterday, I made a bunch of taters, French fries, homemade French fries. They were awesome. That had never dawned on me how to make them until I watched the Lemmy documentary and watched Lemmy Kilmister making them, and I was like, I'm gonna make fries like that. It's gotta be my favorite way to eat fries. So as you can see, this is the hustle and bustle of the morning market here. Let me get my strap on my hand here. So last night I was doing a bunch of research about going to China. I really want to go to China. And it's just like right there. It's like going to Wisconsin. You know, it's not that close, but I don't know. Think of Vietnam like the state of California, and I'm in LA. It would be like going to Oregon. That's how big Vietnam is. So, Vietnam is as long as the United States is thick. Not a lot of people know that. They think it's like some little tiny country. It's big. Everyone's taking all their children to school. Here's what I should do is just go here. These guys have good sandwiches. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna get.
Sandwich không rau, bánh mì không rau. Bánh mì không rau, thịt không rau. Ê, sandwich không rau chứ. Cái này gì vậy?
I got a fight with everybody trying to get their to-go orders. Everybody just pulls up. Bánh mì dư mái. Dư mái.
Xí mại.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Getting a meatball sub here. Bao nhiêu?
Rau lộn mẹ rồi.
Bao nhiêu?
Không rau không?
Okay. 25. That's $1
Cái này gì?
for a sandwich.
Không rau không? Không rau.
$1.
Cái gì? Không rau luôn, em mở ra đi. Ở trên đầu không rau nữa không? Không con. Này gì? Go qua đường áo đỏ đó.
Come on. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. We're all practicing our language skills today. All right. Stupid wallet. There we go. Okay. All right, let's go back. I'm gonna go the opposite way though, because I want a soda. So I'm gonna go around to the other side but anyway, we'll go to her shop. She's my homie. Welcome to Thu Duc City. Thu Duc City. It was named after two ducks or what? There's like the inside market over there. They sell like clothes and I don't know, just household items in there. I wonder why they're not open. That's way too early. It's about 7 in the morning right now. I woke up early. I couldn't sleep. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that chaos. I drive in that. Wow. Wow. Look, a cop. Yep, the hustle and bustle of Thu Duc City. What else we got here? They got sandwiches here too, but the place I just went, I think for my money, is the best in the neighborhood. YouTube. Menu, bun can, this shit's good. Hello. Got a Texas Chicken, aka Church's Chicken right here. They're not open yet. We got a dessert store. We got the gas station that I sometimes go to over there. We got Loteria over there. That's the McDonald's of Vietnam. It's pretty disgusting. But if you want a shitty hamburger and fries, it's good in a pinch, I guess. 3 floors of magic. Down there's like the morning market. They'll have like fresh meat, vegetable. If you need vegetables, go down there. And then people just like post up here on the sidewalk too, sell all their goods. What do we got here? Let's see what we got. Got some carrots, got some cucumbers, daikons, bitter melons, hello, sweet potatoes, regular taters, corn, green beans, cabbage, Napa cabbage, watermelons. I don't know what that, I think it's winter melon. Those are good. Hi-yo. Step into traffic for a moment. We got some pineapples. We got some maters there. Maters in Vietnamese is cà chua. We got some dragon fruit, persimmons. Yeah, there you go. Yum. All really cheap and organic. Most of the produce you find in the store here is from Dalat. I've made a few videos in Dalat. It's the agricultural center. Hello, poppers, smoking cigarettes, driving scooters. There's the pizza company over there. Their pizza's disgusting. If you want shrimp and mayonnaise on your pizza, gross. Ketchup and squid, like squid pizza. Hello. All right, getting out of the cast. Xin chào. It's a little quieter up here. There's the big church for all you church-going folk. There's the school. What do we got here? Come to my crib, I'll show you my hood. Oh, I was gonna get some coffee, wasn't I? Xin chào.
Chào.
Ooh, she's got a on me. Yeah, nice. It's pork though. Said I wasn't gonna eat pork. Everyone still looks at me like it's funny all the time. Everyone's always like, what is that guy doing here? Here, I'm gonna get some coffee down here. This place is come true in the beginning, in the beginning of the day, in the morning. It's like rice and fish or rice and meat. Oh yeah. Cafe soda.
Okay. You lên đây cafe soda.
Give me a coffee. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. All right, well, I don't know, that concludes my journey here. I'm gonna get some coffee. And then I'm gonna drink the coffee. And then I'm gonna eat the sandwich. And I don't know, I'm gonna get the day started. Get the day started. Cool, have a great day from Vietnam. Cheers.